everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how to take these items here and turn them into So if you like these items and would like to see how to make them, keep watching. Alright, these are the items that we're going to be using for our first textured DIY. So we have this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just taped it off with some painter's tape. Alright, and I'm going to be using some black acrylic paint. And the star of the day is our baking soda. Now we're going to add baking soda to the paint to add texture to our paint. Isn't that neat? Using your simple household item to make some glam decors. So let's get started on how we're doing this. Okay, so we have our paint, we have some baking soda, and we're just going to add a little at a time to our paint and mix it up. Now I don't know for sure how much they say you must add or how much you're not to add. Your girl just kept adding her baking soda to the mixture until I got the thickness that I thought was right for me. And now we're just gonna paint our paint onto our vase. Okay, our first layer of paint is dry. So what I'm doing now is taking the paint and dabbing it all over our vase to give it a little bit more texture. I like the gritty texture, but I want it to rise a little bit more. So I'm just adding it just like this, and we'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. So now our vase is all dry. So we're just gonna add some of this bling that I got from BB Craft, and I'll be using some Gorilla Glue to glue it onto our vase. Simple and easy.
Didn't take that from me, girl, you respect yourself. Cause girl, right now you are all that I need and more. And one more chance is all I need, babe.
And just like that, our decor is ready.
Understand just what I mean.
I love how it turned out. Fast and easy, nice and elegant and glam. I'm not sure if you can see the texture, but it is there. It looks so nice. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. Here we go a little closer. I hope you can see the bit. Nice textured with the baking soda. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Now here's the items for our second DIY. And now for our second vase, I have a thicker piece of painter's tape, and I just taped off the center. And we'll be using this gold metallic paint. So we're just going to add our paint and add our baking soda like we did before. And like I said before, just keep adding until you get the thickness that you would like your texture to be. Now that our first layer is dry, I went back over with a paintbrush and dab to add some texture to our vase. And here is our vase all dry. And I guess because this paint is lighter, you see the texture more in the gold paint. So now I'll be adding some of this gold, what do I call it? I call them the cone, a cone bling. I'm going to be adding this, and I'll be using some E6000 to add it going right around our vase. And here is the look of our second DIY. Our glam easy and fast textured vase. I love how this one turned out. I think it looks so nice. I love using the baking soda. It gives you another easy and affordable option to add some glam decor to your home. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 2. And these are the items for our third DIY. Now for our third DIY, I have this vase. So DIY number 3 is like a revamped DIY. I've had this vase, oh gosh you guys, over 10 years. Over 10 years. I bought it when my children were younger. Over 10 years I've had this vase. Anyways, it's a nice vase. I'm tired of it now. I'm going to change it up. So I'll be using some of this paint here. And I'm going to add the baking soda to the paint until I get the desired texture, like I always tell you. So now I'm just going to go over our vase with it, and then I'll be adding more than one coat to this vase. Then let it dry and then add some more, and so on until I think it looks nice. And then I'll set it aside to dry completely for a few hours. Okay, so here is our vase, all dry, and look at the texture. Look at the texture, you guys, because this one I added a little bit more of the baking soda to it, so I think I got more grids in there. Oh, it looks so nice. I love it. So all I'm going to do is add some of this bling wrap going around the neck part of the vase. That's it. And it has the peel and stick on it, so it makes it so easy. And that's all we're going to add to that. And here is our finish. Look. OMG, I love how this one turned out. I absolutely love it. Well, I hope I have inspired you with some glam textured home decor ideas using items that you have in your home already. I'm sure you have baking soda. Just get some paint if you don't have that already, and make some of these glam decor, any color paint that you would like to use. I'm sure it would turn out beautiful with it. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's 3 DIYs, and leave me a comment down below and tell what you think of all 3 of them. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.
I gotta see who knows. Baby, I know that me and you should be together. Yeah.